glow up and go viral. UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light with 62-inch tripod. Next level content starts here. Want pro-level lighting without spending a fortune? Say hello to the UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light, your secret weapon for flawless videos, picture-perfect selfies, and pro-quality live streams. This beefy 10-watt ring light with 240 high-powered LEDs is brighter and better than the usual 10-inch models. With 5 color temperatures, 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, and 10 brightness levels, you'll never look washed out or underexposed again, just pure, studio-quality lighting at your fingertips. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, streaming on TikTok, or hopping on a Zoom call, this ring light brings the glow-up you deserve. Not just a light, it's a total content creation powerhouse. The 62-inch adjustable tripod is rock-solid and versatile, letting you switch between selfie stick mode and tripod mode in seconds. Shoot from low angles, high angles, landscape, or portrait, this baby does it all. Need hands-free operation? The rotatable tripod head and adjustable phone holder ensure perfect positioning for any shot. It's compatible with all phones, cameras, iPads, webcams, and even GoPros, making it the ultimate lighting tool for vloggers, beauty gurus, gamers, and social media stars. Let's talk value for money, because this ring light is a steal. Professional lighting setups cost hundreds, if not thousands, but the UBeesize Ring Light delivers premium quality lighting without the premium price tag. The USB-powered design means no expensive batteries, just plug it into your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter and boom, instant, effortless lighting. It's built to last too, with a sturdy metal frame and high-quality LED bulbs designed to shine bright for years. You get top-tier content quality without draining your wallet, win-win. Ever struggled with harsh shadows or flickering lights? Not here. This ring light softens shadows, eliminates glare, and enhances natural skin tones for picture-perfect results every time. Whether you're doing makeup tutorials, shooting professional product photos, or just taking fire selfies, the adjustable lighting ensures you always look lit, literally and figuratively. And with its stable tripod, it stays put even on uneven surfaces, so you never have to worry about shaky or tilted shots. Stability, precision, and flawless lighting, what more could you ask for? So, is the UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light worth it? 100% yes. It's affordable, ultra-bright, insanely versatile, and built to last, everything you need to take your content to the next level. Whether you're a YouTube star in the making, a TikTok sensation, or just want to look amazing on video calls, this ring light delivers pro-quality results without the pro price. Don't wait, grab yours now and start shining like the star you are.